don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna...
Hello everyone, it's me Mainan Sai and today we both here for the podcast. She is my guest Laiba Sayyed and today we will discuss about the huge argument which is the education system of Pakistan. So Laiba, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. So Laiba, a lot of the people say that education system of Pakistan is not good.
Yes.
Some people say no, it is good, but in contrast, some people say it's not good. So in your opinion, how is the education system of the Pakistan?
The education system of Pakistan works like a business.
Okay.
Like their purpose is just to make money and build their name in the society. And the second thing that I noticed that is, firstly, you will tell me what's the purpose behind performing practicals.
The purpose is that to make student creative.
But in Sindh, there are so many schools. There is no concept of practical learning. They are just depend on the theoretical work and cramming, and they don't have instrument to perform even the little experiment.
Yeah, you are saying right. I also noticed in a lot of the school, mostly in the, especially the Sindh. So, Laiba, what do you think? How can we reform this problem?
I guess government will have to make the resources for the education.
For the education, like this problem is also is created by the poverty.
Exactly.
The second thing is that it's also like education is considered as the backbone of nation's progress. So what do you think? And as we all know that there's a lot of the problem in Pakistan's education system. So in your point of view, what is the biggest problem in Pakistan's education system?
In my opinion, many schools don't provide good education. Even they don't have the trained teachers, and the teachers are not motivated and not trained in well. And Pakistan also spend a small amount for the budget of education. So they should upgrade the system of our country. They should work on the environment.
So what do you think? Which type of environment should government provide for the better education?
They should provide the better environment for the betterment of students, the well trained teachers, and they should upgrade the system. Like there is no electricity in schools, there is no water, so they should work on it and they should upgrade the infrastructure of schools also.
Yeah, absolutely. It mostly happens in government schools.
Exactly.
In government school, but most of the private school provide this. Okay, yesterday I was using the Instagram. In that influencer was telling about the teacher training. Like as you all know, that teacher play a vital role in in students' life. So what do you think? What is the role of teacher training, and how can we improve it?
So basically teacher training is very important. The well trained teacher can make a student understand easily their point, while the untrained teacher can face the situations, even to simplify their point, to simplify the smallest thing.
Like you want to say that government are hiring uneducated teacher. Yes, it's all about the system.
Yes.
So can you compare any country education system with Pakistan's education
Yes,
system?
let me give you the example of Finland.
Okay.
So their focus is on equal education, while in Pakistan, due to the poverty, most of the people, most of the students can't get education just because of poverty.
Yes.
So they should work on it.
Maybe 22 million students are not getting education.
Exactly, because this is the right of everyone to get knowledge.
Yes, equal.
Yes. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.